This officer ran through a fence to catch a criminal. In Moore, Oklahoma, officers tried to stop a driver in a stolen car, but the driver didn't pull over, leading to a brief pursuit. Suspect hopped over the fence, and while one officer watched him flee, the other officer smashed the fence to continue the pursuit.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Don't hit!
Eventually, 20-year-old Smith was taken into custody and transported to the Cleveland County Jail. This biker is being chased by undercover police officers. So these bikers were having a group ride and were fleeing away from the cops, but one of the bikers crashed into a parked car. And when he got up to quickly leave, the undercover officers arrived and chased him. One officer returned to retrieve the bike.
This cop suddenly cut the driver with the dash cam and forced him off the road. But that's not all. He then started weaving all over the road to block the traffic. As it turned out, he did it because he was involved in stopping a runaway driver who was driving the wrong way. The cop managed to perfectly execute and immobilize the suspect in a very risky maneuver.